feel like I'm super close to you guys, so if I am super close to you guys, I apologize. What is up, good people? My name is Danny Reese, and thank you so much for checking out another one of my videos. In today's video, I am bringing you a Dollar Tree haul, plus I'm showing you how I use the items in my own home. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I use Dollar Tree items in my home, keep watching. Alright guys, I don't know what is going on at Dollar Tree, but right now, they are taking care of the kitchen. If your kitchen, for any reason, needs a little spruce me up, go to Dollar Tree, like right now. Like, stop watching this video and go to Dollar Tree. No, don't stop watching the video, but right after you watch the video, go to Dollar Tree. So one of the things that you will find everywhere throughout my home is wall art. And most of the wall art comes from the Dollar Tree because it is just super affordable, super trendy, and super cheap. So I wanted to show you guys this cute little menu sign. You guys see that? It says today's menu, take it or leave it, and it is still in the plastic because I already have a menu in my kitchen. So I'm holding on to this because one of my friends just moved and I think I'm going to be put in charge of decorating her place. So I'm holding on to this for her. So Iris, if you are watching, what do you think, girly? The cute wall art piece was this sign. It says people who love to eat are the best people. And I did go ahead to decide to keep this one, and I will show you guys. I'll insert a picture either here or here of how I use this in my kitchen, but I don't know, I think there's too much glare if I put it there, so I'm just gonna hold it here, or I'll just hold it here. Some other cute items that the Dollar Tree have for your kitchen are these oven mitt sets, and I'm calling them a set, but of course you know you have to buy each piece individually. But you do get 2 pot holders for $1, and this one says it's so good to be home. And then they also have the matching towel that says the same thing, and it's got this little floral print at the bottom. And I have the matching oven mitt as well. This I think I'm gonna keep because I think this would really go in my kitchen. This, however, these towels, I think I'm gonna give to my mom. So I don't know if you can see, but it says home is where the heart is, and it is in this pretty teal color with polka dots and a heart. And then you also get the oven, not the oven mitt, but the pot holder as well, $2 for $1. So I thought these were really cute. So that takes us out of the kitchen. These are just some items that you can use anywhere in your home. I want to start with these trinket pots. If you watched my previous video, you saw me show you the different colors that were available in the store. I got it in this kind of like Tiffany blue color. And I also got it in a yellow. And I got a little idea that I saw Sensational Finds do. You just take a succulent pot. They have these at Dollar Tree as well. You take a succulent, pull out the plant, and you just put it in the little pot. How cute is that, right? Super cheap. You can put this in a shadow box. You can put it on a table, wherever, and it just adds a little bit of spring flair. It kind of reminds me of these pineapples, right? Doesn't that remind you of those pineapples? So this I got, not necessarily for my room or anything like that, but I just got them because I thought they were cute little novelty items. They do light up. I'll go ahead and turn them on, but I don't think the camera, maybe if I do it here. So you get red glow, green glow, and you get a blue glow, and they are battery operated. So if these bad boys ever just die, you can just change the battery. So I thought these were kind of cute, maybe for like a girl's room or maybe for like a party or something like that. I also picked up some candles. I love getting candles from the Dollar Tree because I don't necessarily use them for the smell. I just use them for the aesthetic. So this is a really cute jar. And this one was new to my Dollar Tree. We hadn't had candles like this before. So I picked up 2. And I have an idea for these, and I'm going to show you guys. Again, this is from my video that I took you guys in the store with me, but I wanted to show you the ones that I picked up. I ended up picking up 2. This one says Good Vibes Only. And this one says Keep Calm and Get Organized. And I thought these were cute. You can put makeup in them. You can put anything you need to help you organize. One item that I'm really starting to love from the Dollar Tree are their socks, but only their long socks. Like, I'm not into the short socks, But the long ones I think are really cute. Let me bust open this pack. Look at how cute these are. Now, I did think they could have gave me these for 50 cents because they know these were from Valentine's Day. But I just thought this pattern was really cute. It's got arrows and hearts on it. Then I just got another pack, which are these gray kind of, I don't know what to call that print, but you see it. And then just a plain gray pair. I really love these socks. They're super comfortable. And so we're winding down to the end of the video, and my last item that I picked up from the Dollar Tree has nothing to do with houses at all. But every time that I am in a Dollar Tree, I always check out their keychain section because a girl gotta have a good bag. I mean, you always have to have a good bag. And I think that when you add a little extra oomph, whether it's like the puff ball or a keychain, it just kind of takes your bag to the next level. So they had this one with the little bam. And since it was green, I was like, this would look so good on my Christian Serrano bag straight from Payless. I just thought it would look so cute. So I will add that keychain to that bag. Even though it came with its own charm, Christian Serrano did hook me up. Like, it came with its own charm. I just wanted to add a little something extra. Thank you guys so much. Did that clap scare y'all? Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys got some ideas and a little inspiration to do some sprucing up in your homes. I have a little announcement for you guys. I made it to 50 subscribers. Yeah, I'm kind of a big deal. Yeah, so I'm kind of a big deal now. I got 50 subscribers, and to thank you guys, I would like to do my first giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 2 prizes, so there will be 2 winners. One winner will get to receive a $25 gift card to Dollar Tree, and the other winner will receive a basket of my favorite items from Dollar Tree. So, want to hear the rules? Here they go. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be linked in the description box, but it is Danny Too Much Reese. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you like this video, and I need you to leave a comment below whether you want the gift card or whether you want the basket of my favorite items. And that's it. So the giveaway rules are super simple. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and rocking with me thus far. I know it's a little rocky, y'all. The lighting is a little off. The audio is a little off, but we're gonna get there. It's baby steps. So thank you guys so much. And on that note, let me go edit the hell out of this video. Peace.